Welcome to my channel pibyme Maths. In the previous video we solved October 2023 Pure Math 2 paper question number 1 to 5. Here we are going to continue with question number 6. In question number 6 you have a diagram given and then read the question. It says a river is being studied. At one particular place the river is 15 meter wide. So they are talking about this 15 meter. This 15 meter. 0 to 15, right? And then the depth of y meters of the river is measured at point x meters from one side of the river. Okay, figure 1 shows plot of cross section of the river, coordinate values x and y. Use trapezium rule. Okay, usually to apply trapezium rule you will be given a table of x and y values. If there is no table given, they will give you the number of strips. They will tell you 6 strips and all. So using the formula h is equal to b minus a over n, you need to find the h actually. H is the width of each strip. But let's look at the figure here. This is 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9. Look at the x coordinates. 9 to 12, 12 to 15. That tells us h is equal to 3. You need to mention h. So you will get 1 mark for this. You have to mention age. Okay. And then the corresponding y values are given. You have 0 here. This. So you don't need table. You can take all these values. So the trapezium rule is very simple. To find the area is equal to h over 2 times the first y value plus the last y value. Look at the figure. The first and last y value is 0 and 0. 0 and 0. And then plus 2 times sum of the rest of the y values. So all these values 1.52, 2.74, 3.12, 3.08. 1.52, 2.74 plus 3.12 plus 3.08. Calculate this, you will get the area already. 3 over 2 is 1.5 times 0 plus 0. It's just 0. So you don't need this bracket anyway. 2 brackets, sum of these values 1.52 to 2.74, 3.12, 3.08, 31.38. It's meter, so you put meter square. That's the area. That's all. That's how you apply the trapezium rule for this one. Let's move on to the next part of the question. The water in the riverbed is modeled as flowing at a constant speed of 1.5 meter per second across the whole cross section. Use the model and the answer to part A to estimate the volume of the water flowing through this section of the river each minute. Okay, the area is, this is a simple question actually. The area is 31.38. That's the area. And the water flowing at this, okay, this is the figure, let's say. Okay, this is the cross section. And the water is flowing this way. The flowing rate is 1.5. So at every second it's 1.5. So you need to find it for, they want you to find the estimate the volume of water flowing this section each minute. So 60 seconds. You multiply all this, you will get the answer already. 31.38 times 1.5 times 60. They want the answer to 2 significant figures, so it's going to be 2800 meter cube. Why meter cube? We are finding the volume of the water flowing. That's all. Part C now. Assuming the model, state given reason for your answer, whether your answer to part B is an overestimate or an underestimate of the true volume of the water flowing through this section of the river. We need to look at the figure now. We are using trapezium rule here. So we are considering this as a trapezium, this as a trapezium. So the area of the trapezium, the area we got is basically smaller than the actual area, right? So the volume will also be smaller eventually, right? So you need to write it's underestimate. Why underestimate? Because the area of the trapezium or trapeziums are smaller than the cross-section area. You just need to write the sentence, that's it. You cannot just write underestimate, you need to write the answer also. That's all. Let's look at question number 7. This is from the coordinate geometry. You have a circle with center 4, -3. Let's read the question. A circle C with center at 4, -3. The line with the equation y is equal to, this is the line actually. This line, the equation of the line is given 5/2x minus 55/2. Okay. The line is a tangent to the circle at point N. Yes, apparently from the figure we can see the line is tangent at this point. Okay. Find and show that an equation to the straight line passing through x and n is this. That means they want us to find the equation of this line, which is basically perpendicular line. So, sorry, this is 5/2x. So the equation of the line would be, you take the slope of the tangent, change it to negative reciprocal, -2/5x plus c. How to find the c? Take a point that lies on the straight line, 4, -3. So -3 is equal to -2/5/4 plus c. So it's going to be -3 plus 8/5 plus c. -3 plus 8/5 is -7/5. c is -7/5. Sub in here and then multiply through it by 5 because we need to frame this equation. So we got the equation y is equal to -2/5x minus 7/5, right? Yeah. Multiply through it by 5. You'll get 5y is equal to -2x minus 7. Put everything one side. You got this equation already. That's all. Part B now. Hence find the coordinates of n. Coordinates of n is basically the point of intersection of these two lines. So you have the equation of the two lines, you find the point of intersection, you will get n. So take the first equation, y is equal to 5/2x minus 55/2. The second equation is y is equal to -2/5x minus 7/5. Equate them, so we'll get 5/2x plus 2/5x is equal to, or just I'll write one more step, just equate them. 5/2x minus 55/2 is equal to -2/5x negative 7/5. Put this x here, this term here. So 5/2 plus 5/2 plus 2/5 is 29/10x is equal to, so not 7/x, it's 7/5 minus 7/5 plus 55/2, 261/10. 10 can be cancelled, so 261 divided by 29 is 9. X is equal to 9. Sub in x is equal to 9 into any one of the equation. So y is going to be, x is equal to 9, so y is gonna use any one of the equation. Maybe use the first one or the second one, minus 2/5 times 9 minus 7/5 negative 5. So the point n is 9 comma negative 5. That's all. Doubly, find the equation of the circle. To find the equation of this circle, forget about all this thing. You need center, which is given already, and you need the radius. You know this point 9 comma minus 5. Find the distance between these 2 points. That would be the radius. So the radius is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Square root of 9 minus 4, 5 square. Square root of 29. So the equation of the circle is x minus 4 whole square, use the center, plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to r square, not just r square is 29. That's all. That's the equation of the circle C. Question number 8 now. This is from sequences and series. Kind of interesting question. In a large theater there are n rows of seats where n is a constant. Okay, there are n rows actually. The number of seats in the first row, there are 8 seats, and then in the second row 4 more seats, 8 plus 4. In the third row 8 plus 8, 8 plus 12, etc., etc. There are n rows actually, and the total number of seats in the first 10 row, if you take just the first 10 row, or sum of 10 terms is 360. What would be the arithmetic sequence here? 8 plus 4, 8 plus 8, etc., etc. So we are talking about 10 rows now. So the formula is n over 2, 2a, a is the first term, plus n minus 1 times the d, the common difference is 4, right, is equal to 360. Make a as a subject. 10 over 2 is 5, goes to the other side. 360 divided by 5 is 72. So you have 2a plus 9 fours are 36 is equal to 72. 2a is equal to 36. A is equal to 18. That's it. That's the answer for part A. Let's move on to part B now. Given also that the total number of seats in the n row is 2146. They are saying Sn is equal to 2146. We already know the A 18. We know the common difference D is 4. Sub in into the formula for Sn. What's the formula for Sn? N over 2. 2A, A is 4, plus n minus 1 times, sorry, A is not 4, A is 18. N minus 1 times D is equal to 2146. Now I'm going to bring the 2 here and keep n here. So n times 2 18s are 36 plus 4n minus 4, if you open the bracket, is equal to 2 times this. 2 times 2146. 4292. Now open the bracket. 36 minus 4 is 32. So 32n plus 4n square minus 4292 is equal to 0. I think we need to divide throughout by 4. So 4n square becomes n square. 32n, 4 8s are 32. So 8n minus, you don't just simply write this number. That's how you lose mark actually if your steps are wrong. So double check whether when you divide this by 4 you get that number or not. 4292 divided by 4, yes, minus 1073 is equal to 0. That's all. We framed the equation already. Again, it's a 2-mark question. Let's move on to part C. Hence state the number of rows. Basically they want you to solve the equation you just framed. N square plus 8n minus 1073 is equal to 0, right? You just need to solve it using your calculator. Go to equation number 3. 1 8 negative 1073. You'll get 29 and negative. Don't take the negative number. N is equal to 29. That's the answer for CI. On WI, find the maximum number of seats. Just because the question says maximum, don't think about differentiation and the second derivative and all, maximum, minimum. Here, first row has A seats, second row 22, third row 26, and the nth row has the maximum number of seats. N is 29. So basically they want you to find the 29th term. A plus n minus 1 times B. So just calculate this. You will get 18 times 28 times 4. Sorry, 18 plus 28 times 4. 130 seats are in the nth row. Question number 9 now. We have this diagram given. Figure 3 shows sketch of part of the curve C with the equation this. Find using calculus the range of values for which y is increasing. If it's increasing, you need to put dy by dx. The condition is greater than 0. If it's decreasing, dy by dx is less than 0. So differentiate it. It becomes 2 over 3. X square becomes 2x minus 9. This is x power half. When you differentiate, half x power half minus 1. Half minus 1 is minus half. 13 becomes 0 is greater than 0. So it's basically 4 over 3x minus 9 over 2x power positive half is greater than 0. We know x is a positive number. X is positive, right? X is greater than or equal to 0. So bring this term here. 4 over 3x is equal to 9 over 2x power half. So I'm going to bring x power half here, 4 over 3 to the other side. So what will happen? The x power half, you will get x times x power half is greater than, sorry, not equal to, greater than 9 over 2. The 4 over 3 goes to the other side, becomes 3 over 4. So this is x power 3 over 2 is greater than 27 over 8. So x would be greater than cube root of 27 over 8, which is x is greater than cube root of 27 is sorry, not just cube root, power 2 over 3. So cube root whole square, that's power 3 over, that's power 2 over 3. So cube root of 27 over 8 is basically 3 over 2. 3 over 2 square is 9 over 4 is the answer. That's all. That's from differentiation. Let's move on to part B of the question. Part B says the point P lies on C has coordinate 9, 40. Apparently you can see point P has 9, 40. Okay. And the line L is tangent to C at point P. Okay. The finite region R is shown shaded is bounded by the curved line x-axis, y-axis. As you can see, this is, they are talking about this region. Find the exact area of the region. Okay, now it's a little trickier one. 8 more question. Okay, now if you take this curve, if you take the curve, integrate from 0 to 9, this is the x coordinate 9, you will get this whole area basically. Okay, once you get this whole area, and then you need to subtract this area of the triangle. That's what we are going to do. Okay, first use integration to find the whole area. You need to integrate from 0 to 9 the given function, which is 2 over 3 x square 9 root x plus 13 dx. When you integrate it, you will get 2 over 3 x cubed by 3 minus 9 x power half plus 1, which is 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus 13x. Now sub in the limit 0 to 9. When you sub in 0, lower limit, everything becomes 0. Just sub in 9. 9 cube over 3, 2 over 3 times 9 cube over 3 is 162 minus 18 over 3 times 9 power 3 over 2. 9 power 3 over 2 is 27 plus 13 times 9, 170 minus lower limit is 0. So this becomes 9 3s are 27. So it's going to be 117 plus 162 minus 18 times 9. We'll get total area is 170. This 117 is the whole area below this curve. This whole area. So we got the whole area already. Now the next thing, we are going to find the area of this triangle. We know the height of the triangle is 40. To find the base, we need the x-intercept of this straight line. We need to find the x-intercept of this straight line. To find the x-intercept, we need the equation of the straight line first. How do we find the equation of a tangent? We learned this in P1 differentiation. We need to take the differentiation first. The differentiation is here from part A. This is the differentiation, dy by dx, x power half. This is dy over dx. In this first derivative, replace x by x coordinate of the point P. Look at the point P, the x coordinate is 9. Sub in here, that's the slope. So slope is equal to dy over dx at P of 9, 40. So replace x by 9. So this becomes 9 over 3 is 3, 12 minus 9 over 9 power half is 3, 6. Which is basically 12 minus 9 over 6. 21 over 2. That's the slope. Now for this question, you have the slope 21 over 2. You have the point 9, 40. The equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1. Do not expand the bracket and find the equation because we are not interested in the equation. We just need the y-intercept of the straight line. Sorry, the x-intercept of the straight line. How do we usually find the x-intercept? Replace y by 0. So here we are going to replace y by 0 and make x as a subject. So minus 40 is equal to 21 over 2 x minus 9. Bring 21 over 2 here. X minus 9 is equal to minus 80 by 21. So x is minus 80 over 29 plus 9. Is that correct? 21 over 2 comes here 2 over 21 minus 80 over 21. Sorry, that's minus 80 over 21. Yes. Okay, the slope is 21 over 2. That's correct. Y minus y1 is slope times x minus x1. So when you replace y by 0, minus 40 is equal to this. Bring this here, 40 times 2 minus 80 by 21 plus 9. Sorry, not minus 80 by 29, it's 21 actually. The answer is 109 over 21. That's the x coordinate. Now back to this figure. We know this x value is 109 over 21. This is 9. The difference is the base. So the area of this triangle is half height times base. Base is 9 minus 101 or 21. So 40/2 times 9 minus 109/21. That's the area, 1600/21. Now we have the whole area, we have the area of the triangle, subtract them. So the area is 857/21. That's the answer for this. 857/21 is the area R. That's all. Question number 10 now. Find in ascending powers of x the second, third and fifth terms of the binomial expansion. Okay, if you look at the first binomial expansion, a plus b to the power n. The first term is a power n. The second term is nc1 a power n minus 1 b power 1. So in this case you can write the second term is equal to nc1 a power n minus 1 times b power 1. Simplify this. So we'll get 6c1 is 6, 3 power 5 times 2. 2916x. That's the second term. Now the third term is going to be 6c2 3 power 6 minus 2 b power 2. So 6c2 is 15 times 3 power 4 times 2 square. Get 4860x square. That's the third term, and we skip the fourth term. We need to find the fifth term. Fifth term is going to be 6c3 6c4 6c4 3 power 6 minus 4 2x to the power 4. 6c4 is same as 6c2 15. 3 square is 9. 2 power 4 is also 16. So we'll get 2160x power 4. So we got the second term, third term and fifth term. That's all. It's a 3-mark question. Let's move on to the next part now. For a particular value of x, these 3 terms form a consecutive terms in a geometric series. These 3 terms, what are the 3 terms? 2916x, 2916x, 4860x square, and then the fifth term 2160x power 4. These 3 are 3 consecutive terms in a geometric series. So in a geometric series, the common ratio will be the same. How do we find the common ratio? The second term divided by the first term is equal to, which will be same as third term divided by the second term. You cancel x now. You get x here, you get x square here. And then try to divide the numbers and see whether it can be simplified. 4860 divided by 2916. 5/3, okay, better. 5/3x is equal to, how about the other side? 2160 divided by 4860. 4/9, perfect. So x is 4/9 times 3/5. So there is x square also here. Sorry, I forgot about this x square. So you cancel this. X is basically 5/3 times 9/4, which is 15/4 is x. That's all. It's a 3-mark question. Let's move on to the next part now. In a different geometric series, so it has nothing to do with part A. The first term is sine square, so A is sine square. The common ratio is 2 cos theta. Sum to infinity. How do we find sum to infinity? A over 1 minus r. Okay, so you take A over 1 minus r is equal to 8 over 5. Replace A by sine square, r by 2 cos theta is equal to 8 over 5. Cross multiply. So 5 comes here. 5 times sine square. You can replace sine square by 1 minus cos square. Then 8 times this. You will get 8 minus 16 cos theta. Open the bracket and put everything on side. You will get the equation. You will get 5 minus 5 cos square minus 8 plus 16 cos theta is 0. Multiply through it by -1 and simplify. You will get 5 cos square minus 16 cos theta. 5 minus 8 is -3. It becomes +3 is 0. That's all. So only thing you need to remember here, the formula to sum to infinity. In fact, you don't have to memorize it. It's there in the data booklet. The last one now. Find the exact value of the second term in the series. We know the first term is sine square theta and the common ratio is 2 cos theta, right? Okay, here we have a quadratic equation. We are going to solve this quadratic equation first. We use our calculator to solve it straight away. 5 minus 16 plus 3. We get 3 and 1 over 5. So when you solve this, we get cos theta is 3, cos theta is equal to 1 over 5. This you cannot take 3 because the range of cos theta is -1 to +1. So we take this value, okay, back in here. We know cos theta, we need sine theta, right? Use this identity. Sine square is, probably I can sub it here straight up. Sine square is 1 minus cos square. Replace cos theta by 1 over 5. Find A, find R also. 2 times 1 over 5, 2 over 5. Here it's going to be 1 over 25, 25 minus 1, 24 over 25. We got A and R. Now the second term is A2 is equal to AR is the second term in a geometric series. A times R. Sorry, 2 over 5. 2 times 24, 48 divided by 125 is the second term, exact value of the second term. That's all.